Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. My favorite subjects.
Honestly, if you ask me about my favorite subjects, I'd have to say it's a bit of a mixed bag, but mostly I'm a total science nerd. Physics, chemistry, and maths have always really tickled my fancy. I mean, how cool is it to dive into how time and space get all warped and weird in quantum physics? It's mind-blowing. I remember this one time in high school, I was completely at sea with some tricky calculus problems, but my maths teacher, Mrs. Davis, was a total gem. She patiently broke it down, giving us both qualitative and quantitative data until the penny finally dropped for me. That really solidified my love for it all. Eventually, after I wrap up my PhD, I'm hoping to snag a full-time research gig at some swanky science firm. All in all, I just have this deep-seated affinity for anything and everything science-related. It just speaks to my soul.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial Rajen Jani. Text Google Gemini AI. Images Copilot Image Creator. Audio Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python code Google Gemini AI. Video editor Kdenlive.